Hi, I'm April with WTI.
When I think of a relaxing environment, the first thing that comes to my mind is the lighting. With these shades, I have found it very convenient to manage our lighting and privacy needs. I love the flexibility these shades provide for our different lighting needs throughout the day and night. With just the click of a button, I can have completely blackout, shading, and light filtering all in one curtain. And I found it so easy to measure to get just the right fit for both an inside and an outside mount. And these mounting brackets have this little spring action clip here, which helps them to lock in place very easily. I do recommend having help when putting these up, as they are a little heavy, but it was easy to click right into place. I appreciate that these shades don't have any cords, so they're very child and pet friendly. I like that it was packaged very well for safety, and there are several different charging options for these smart shades. I really enjoyed the customization options. I chose the white with white blackout. The honeycomb fabric is so beautiful. These shades by Yoolax are amazing. I would definitely recommend these to anyone, so look into Yoolax for your next shades. Help yourself relax with Yoolax.
And that's my point of view.